this session, we are going to discuss briefly about it. Articles, what are they? It is very easiest one and also very crucial role play in competitive exams also. So articles is most important one. You have to learn it very clearly about it. Articles are a and the. These three are called articles in English, you know very well. They are in fact demonstrative adjectives also. Not only articles, these three also called as adjectives also, because it qualifies that any noun. I will explain you whenever I will explain you about the demonstrative adjective. And these three articles also again dividing two parts. Kinds of articles are two: indefinite article and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a, an. A, an are called indefinite articles. Definite article only one, that is the. So a and an do not refer to any particular thing. So they are called the indefinite articles. So you have to keep it in your mind. Always we should use it in before that countable noun, a and an, so that we are calling it indefinite article. A or an is used before a singular countable noun. These two also we are using countable noun before. That is also singular countable noun. Countable noun and also singular countable noun. That means simply singular nouns before we are using a or an. Now, the selection of a or an, when we use a, when we use an, I am giving you clarity about it. The selection between a and an is determined by the initial sound of the word. Means here that singular countable noun, when in before that we are using a and a or an, a used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. A must and should use in before that consonant sound and also consonants before. A is used. For example, some keywords I am giving you here. According to that, you can easily identify when we use a. Unicorn, hypothesis, humorous event, knife, natural, motivator, hitman, uniform, universal rule, university, hero, useful thing, woman, UNESCO, meeting, etc. In before that we are using a. Why should I am giving these words only? For explaining a, because these words once identify unicorn and also universal rule, university, useful thing, UNESCO. These words actually it starts with vowel, but sound we are getting consonant sound. So that this before also we are using a. If you remember these words, keywords, you can easily identify in before that if it is vowel, starts with vowel also, we are using in before that a. You should keep it in your mind. And an. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. A using before consonant sound. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Then what will you keep it in your mind? Vowel and consonant sounds you have to observe when we use a or an. An we are using in before that vowel sound. already explained you. So, honest man, employ, honorable man, our, yield, idea, idiots, Indian, RTC bus, SBI card, extraordinary man, umbrella, SSC student, unkind remark, ulcer, etc. These words before we must and should use am. In these words you have to identify. One by one I will explain you now clearly. Honest man. Here it started with H, but pronouncing first H word, H we are pronouncing honest man. So we are pronouncing with R. So whenever you keep in front of any countable singular noun before article a or an, at that time you must identify whether it is consonant sound or vowel sound. Already explained you. According to that, here honest man, here vowel sound it is. How can you identify it is vowel sound? Actually, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. You know very well. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. But when that word, singular countable noun starts with vowel also, we are getting sound, consonant sound. At that time, unicorn, uniform. At that time, we are not using there yan. Only a we are using there because those sounds are consonant sounds. Here, honest man. Here starts with H, consonant letter, but sound we are getting vowel sound. Then how can we identify whether it is vowel sound or consonant sound? You are getting doubt now. So vowel sounds nothing but we have to identify through Telugu letters through. Atu, Ammaha, Telugu letters are called vowels and Katu remaining letters are called consonants. According to that words, according to that letter sound only, we have to identify whether we use in before that word yan or a. You have to keep it in your mind. Here yan, honest man. Here pronouncing sound a, so that we are using an honest man. Here employ. Here also employ. A. Telugu letter A sound we are pronouncing here, so that in before that yan we have to use. Yan, honorable man. Here also honorable a sound coming here, a sound. Vowel sound, a sound is coming here, so that in before that yan we have to use. Yan hour. Here also yan hour, a sound, so that we are using yan. Yield. Here also yield. So observe these sounds. Idea, I, so that we have to use in before that yan. Idiots, e sound, so that we are using in before that yan. Indian, in before that also yan, because it is also e sound. And RTC bus. Here this letter indicating R here consonant letter, but sound a, R, T, C bus, so that in before that also we have to use yan. SBI card. Here also it is consonant letter, but sound a, SBI, so that a sound is coming in before that yes, so that we have to use yan. An extraordinary man. Here also a sound is coming. Umbrella, a sound, so that in before that yan. SSE, it is starts with consonant but sound A sound, so that it is also in before that also we have to use an. Unkind remark, so here also we have to use an in before that because it is also vowel sound. Ulcer, so according to that pronunciation only, according to that sound only, if vowel sound is coming from that word we have to use an. If it starts with consonant also, some words we are getting vowel sounds, then we have to use an. How can we get those vowel sounds? Only keep it in your mind, R to Ammaha letters in Telugu. Those sounds only comes under vowel sounds. Up to now clear, I think so. Now the use of indefinite article. So that means when we use it to give the meaning of one or any, that means singular, indicating at that time also we are using a or an. And to give the idea of everter, that means specially telling about one countable noun, then we are using a or an. With proper nouns used as common nouns. See, with proper nouns used as common nouns. He thinks he is a certain. So here, sorry, E small letter. He thinks he is a certain. So then here, certain here proper noun. Here in this sentence it is using as common noun. So that we are using a. In before that we are using a. And here see, to give the meaning of one or any, I bought a car. Here only one car, so that we are using a. And idea of every apple, that means apples cost 60 rupees a dozen. Here see, a dozen more apples, but we are saying 1 dozen per. So that here also we are using, telling about a dozen. So a we are using in before that. And with words little and few, these two words also quantifying words. These words we are using as adjectives also. When we express quantifiers, when we use these quantifiers for telling about quantifying items, at that time we are using also this indefinite article. For example, there is a little water in the pot. So we are saying about how much water in that pot. Then we are using a little. Then only it is giving meaning. A few people attended the meeting. So then it gives meaning. A few people. Few people, there is no meaning. A few people only giving some meaning. So that when we use these two quantifiers also, we must and should use a, indefinite article a. In exclamatory sentences before countable singular nouns, also we have to use indefinite article a. What a pretty girl. What a hot day. So here pretty before, hot before also we are using a, because this sentence is in exclamatory sentence. So that we are using indefinite article a here. Definite article the. The is the definite article because it is used when we speak of a definite person or thing. This is used in the following contexts. So when we use the, actually using the in before that particular or definite person or thing before we are using the. And some expressions before also we are using the. What are those expressions? I will explain you. Unique things. sun, moon, sky, earth, these are all unique things. In before that we must and should use only the definite article. Rivers, seas, these before also, rivers and seas before also we must and should use the. And oceans and canals before also we must and should use the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Panama, like these canals and oceans before also we have to use the. Well-known books before also, don't forget it, the Gita, the Bible, the Ramayana, like this we have to use. These are all useful for you for all competitive exams. Better to take this screenshot and note it in your notebook. And directions before also we must and should use the east, the west, the north, like this. Newspapers, suppose we are saying about any newspaper particularly, then we have to use in before that the Hindu, the Times of India, the Enadu, like this. Years before, festivals before also we must and should use the leap year, the Ramjan, the Christmas, like this we have to use the. Musical instruments before also, the piano, the flute, the sitar, like this we have to construct sentence. That means whenever musical instrument uses is there, so then in before that we have to use the. Historical buildings, Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, like this you have to pronounce. Famous historical events, the Republic Day, the Independence Day, like this we have to construct sentence. Plural names of the countries also, the USA, the Philippines, like these words, like these countries before also we have to use the. See here, the USA, you are getting confusion here. USA, here you pronouncing. So in before that we are using a, no, why should we use the? You are getting some confusion here. USA here, United States of America. Plural names of the country. So that we use in before that the. Suppose UK, Uttar Korea, like this. So in before that plural names of the countries we have to use the. Mountain ranges also, the Alps, the Himalayas, like this we are using the. Group of islands, the Maldives, the Andamans, like this group of islands before also we have to use the. So these, when we use the, you have to keep it in your mind. Better to take this screenshot and note it down in your notebook, then you are having some idea about it. Otherwise you are getting confusion when we use the, when we should not use. Omission of articles also there, I will explain you next. So if you keep it in your notebook, if you write it in your notebook, you are getting some idea regarding this. Inventions before also use the telescope, the microscope, like this. Ordinals, ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like these ordinal numbers before also we must and should use the only. Ships, the Titanic ship, the Rajdhani Express, like these ships and trains, particularly about, and before that also we have to use the. Superlative degree before also we have to use the best, the biggest, like these superlative degrees. In degrees of comparison it will come, I will explain you. So at the time also we have to use the. Double comparatives, the more you speak the less I understand. See here, more one comparative and less one comparative, and double comparatives before also we have to use the more, the less we are constructing here sentence. And adjectives used as nouns, the rich should help the poor. Here rich one adjective, poor one adjective. Here adjective, the rich should help the poor. These adjectives we are using as nouns here. Rich here one noun, poor here one noun. So in before that also we are using the. Actually, adjective means superlative adjective. In before that only we are using the. When we use adjective as noun, in that sentence also we are using the. Persons or things mentioned for the second time. So, I met a boy. Example, I met a boy. The boy is very handsome. Here, I met the boy. Already, I met a boy. I met a boy. One boy. So, the boy is very handsome. I am telling about that boy once again. So, second time mentioning here about that noun. Then we are using the. With the nouns that are made definite by a relative clause. The man who you met yesterday is my uncle. Here, who you met, it indicating here relation between this, the man and the remaining part of the sentence. At that time also relative clause. We are saying about particularly the man, definite by a relative clause. Then we are using the. The man who you met yesterday is my uncle. So it is proper construction of the sentence. Singular noun representing the whole class also we are using. Singular noun representing whole class also we are using the. In before that also we are using the. Singular noun representing whole class. How can it representing whole class? I will explain you here. The dog is a faithful animal. Number of times this type of blanks will come in examination. A dog or the dog, we are getting confusion. When it represents whole class, that means dog is a faithful animal, we know it. So here about that quality, then we are using the. The dog is a faithful animal. And another one, the cow is a useful animal. Like this we have to fill. We should not fill here a. Only the we have to fill it. Because a singular noun representing whole class. That means total, that dog represents faithfulness. Cow represents usefulness. Then we are using the. Proper nouns used as common nouns. Kalidas is Shakespeare of India. Delhi is the London of India. So like this. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Here I forgot to write here the. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. We have to write here because here Kalidas proper noun. This proper noun used as common noun here. The Shakespeare of India. Delhi is the London of India. Like this we have to use in before that also the. Now we are discussing about omission of articles. So articles, when we use indefinite articles and also definite article, when we use it, clearly explain you. Now omission of articles. We should not use in before that nouns. Article, when we should not use. Try to understand it. Try to note it down in your notebook. Proper nouns before also we should not use. A common noun, it in its widest sense. Suppose the man, the woman. So common, we are using it as common noun. We should not use in before that also article. The. Abstract nouns before also. The honesty, the courage, like these we should not write. We should not use. And material nouns before also we should not use. And languages before also we should not use article the. You should keep it in your mind. Proper nouns before, common nouns before, abstract nouns before, material nouns before, languages before. We should not use article the. You should keep it in your mind. Then you can remember it very easily. Names of meals before also we should not use article the. The dinner, the breakfast, the supper, like this we should not say. The lunch, suppose anyone will ask you, you are saying like this, I am eating my lunch, I am eating the lunch. You should not say like this. We should not use in before that names of meals. Names of games also we should not use. The cricket, the tennis, wrong it is. We should not use article here. Names of diseases before also. I am suffering from the fever, I am suffering from the headache. We should not say like this, because names of diseases before also we should not use article the. No article is used before the nouns such as hospital, temple, church, market, school, college, ground, bed, etc. when they are visited in their primary sense. It is most important. We are doing many mistakes at that time. When we are using to construct with these words, with these nouns for primary purpose or primary sense, we should not use in before that the. I go to the college every day in the morning. So you are going to college for what? For study purpose. So I go to the college every day in the morning. It is in before that college we should not use the, because you are going to college every day. It is common. You are going for study. So we should not use the. I going to the college to meet my friend. Then it is correct. Because when we are constructing I go to the college every day in the morning, it is study purpose. I go to the college to meet my friend. Here it is not primary sense. It is secondary sense giving there. I go to the college. Here the college is correct. When it has secondary sense, then we can use the. If it is primary sense, we should not use the. Primary sense means you are going to college every day. It is common. For study purpose you are going to the college. So then we should not use the in before that college. Same way here, she goes to the hospital due to her illness. So she goes to the hospital for what purpose? She goes to the hospital. Her illness, due to her illness. So then here also primary sense is there. Why should we go to the hospital? For treatment. So that is primary sense here. Suppose this sentence we are constructing in another way. She goes to the hospital to meet her mother. She goes to the hospital to meet her mother. So then the hospital we can use there, because that is not primary sense. So that is the difference between primary sense and secondary sense. We go to the church on Sundays. Sundays, every Christian, everyone also go to the church to pray God. So then here we go to the church wrong. We go to the church to meet my friend on Sunday. So that is correct, because we go to the church for pray. It is common. Primary purpose, primary sense indicating there. Then we should not use. If primary sense is not there, we can use the. So that is the difference between these two sentences. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, write in comment box. I will clarify it. The links of the remaining videos are given in the description box.